Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Honda VT1300C Interstate. This bike has just a little under 8,100 miles on it and is in excellent condition. So it's got a couple of little imperfections on it which I found. I'll show you when we go around, plus a lot of nice highlights. So we will take our walk and then we will fire this beast up. Comes with a clear windscreen. It's got the front fender trim on it. Front tires, excellent condition. Got plenty of miles still left on that. Comes with highway boards for the driver with highway pegs. It also has footboards for the passenger. Mustang seat for both the driver and the passenger, along with a passenger backrest. Saddlebags. And this saddlebag has got a little imperfection here on the top of it. Oh, we also have Vance & Hines pipes. Back tire as well, still in excellent condition. You'll get plenty of mileage out of that. Saddlebag again, got a little imperfection on the top of it here, a little mark. Footboards for the passenger. Again, footboards for the driver with a highway peg and a heel-toe shifter combo. This bike also has a battery tender lead along with a 12-volt outlet and a media clip and power cord on the handlebars. Really a nice clean cruiser. A couple of marks on those bags. And then here's the real imperfection on the bike. We've got one chip here in the tank. Kind of see it there. There we go. Oh. Alright. 8,071 is what's on this bike. This Interstate has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 8,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this cruiser from us, you'll get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course, your accessories. Thank you for shopping. Simply Street Bikes.